regardless of all of that, let's take a look at the code behind the scenes in order to find out, generally speaking, what the application would do. In other words, how the application would respond when there aren't any special offers on the table to a checkout request in an insufficient funds situation. First and foremost, we'll want to find out who the currently logged-in member is and whether or not they've originated from the same client's machine, meaning both the recently performed login process and this checkout request have started out from the same machine during the same session. It seems that, indeed, the currently logged-in member, namely user 23, has made the checkout request from the same machine that they originally logged in from. Next, we'll want to make sure that they are still logged in. Seems like they are. We will, again, make sure they're both logged in and have originated from the same client's machine. Seems, again, like they are. Therefore, we'll want to find out whether or not the shopping cart has any items in it. As it seems, there are 3 items in the cart, so next, we'll want to reduce the total amount due from the logged-in members credit line via the DB table members funds update function. Oops, no funds have been updated. This was value number 1 of 2 returned from the function. The reason for no updates, and therefore no transactions, was that the available amount on the currently logged-in members credit line was insufficient. Additional funds would be required to make this purchase. The additional amount required to complete the purchase has also been returned from the function as value number 2 of 2 and is specified in the funds required local variable. The additional amount required seems to be $1,549.37 or 38 cents, depending on the built-in rounding method. An appropriate message about the available options on how to proceed will be presented on the page as well. Back to user mode, as we've attempted to check out and purchase the in-cart items. Since we did not have enough funds on our credit line, a blue-colored message is to appear at the bottom of the page, listing available options for us on how to proceed about making the purchase. Still,